Keep your home at the perfect temperature with a versatile window air conditioner that can both cool and heat your space with a quick toggle on the control panel, making it a year-round, all-season solution for any room in your home. Plus, these smart window air conditioners work with the Smart HQ app, so you can monitor and control your comfort from anywhere. GE Air Conditioners, comfort you can rely on.
Of your dreams. Meet Windmill. What's it like living with a Windmill AC?
It's cool, real cool. In a word, the design, sublime.
It's a breeze, both in itself as well as the installation. Comes ready to install right out the box. Easy peasy.
The New York Times says it's the easiest AC they've ever installed.
With the perfect airflow design, it's like central air from a window AC.
And it's elegant, sleek, and smart. Set the temperature from anywhere with the app. Voila!
Shh. It's quiet, real quiet.
And efficient and eco-friendly.
Darling, it's a masterpiece.
Wake up, y'all. The AC of your dreams is here.
Windmill, the window AC for the modern home. Shop now at windmillair.com.